So I'm not really sure how to do this at all, but I'm just going to wing it. I'm going to go ahead and move my keyboard and trackpad and mouse. Um, because what I'm about to unbox is quite large. Seriously, it's quite large. So it has been quite the journey trying to find one of these without paying scalpers. And if you're reading the title, you obviously know what it is. I refuse to pay scalpers hundreds of dollars over MSRP. And the wait is over. I finally found one. It said found weird, but I finally found one. And so I'm just going to open it on camera. And I'm in a small area. And where are my scissors? Where's my knife? Here's my knife. Sorry for your squeaky chair. But yes, I refuse to pay scalpers. I do. They want to charge hundreds of dollars over MSRP. I understand hustling. I do it myself with eBay stuff. But I don't scalp. That's one thing I don't do. Now, do I make a profit on gamer subs shakers? Yes. But it's not hundreds of dollars, you know. So I'm just going to set that on the ground because it's going to be impossible to open it up on the desk like that. Oh. It's like an origami box. Anyway, the point of this video is I found a PS5, finally. Now, originally I wanted, and I still would have preferred the discless digital only version, but you cannot find those anywhere. So I was like, you know what? Give me the one with the bulge. It's fine. It all plays the same. Will I buy discs for this console? No. But will I have a Blu-ray player? Yes. Which is great. Because I actually don't have one of those except for the PS4, but that's in storage. And oh, jeez, airtight. And I don't see the PS4 ever not being in storage now, especially now that I have one of these. Is there tape somewhere that's holding this in this box? Like, I don't want to rip the box, but I kind of do because I want to get it open. But I won't. Dude. There we go. Yeah, no, it's just airtight. Give birth, please. Thing's not getting any lighter. There we go. Finally. Jeez. Now I'm exhausted. Okay. I guess I need to... do I need to lay this down flat? I know. It's a sloppy unboxing. I don't care. I want to play games. Okay? In fact, I'm not going to even edit this for a couple days because I want to play. So... okay. This is why I need a GoPro mount on my head or something. I'm just gonna pull it out of the box. Okay, so this is the disc PS5. Quick start guide. Never gonna read that. Safety guide. Does anybody read the safety guide? What would it entail? I don't know. Power cable. My second PS5 controller that I own. Yes, I already have a PS5 controller about 2 years ago. There you go. Very nice. The stand. And I think you can lay it flat, which I'm probably going to do because I have a cat, and I know if I have it standing up, he's going to jump up and knock it over, and then I'm just going to be very depressed because I'll have a broken PS5. HDMI cable. Almost said USB-C cable. HDMI cable. So yeah, I'm going to mount it horizontal so that Kitty Boy does not yeet my brand new PS5. Okay, here's the console itself, and it's airtight. So, watch me struggle some more, people. Actually, no, it's not that bad. Oh, she's heavy. Heavy console compared to the Series S. By far. Come, Daddy. PlayStation 5. Finally, dude. I can't believe I actually have one of these. This thing is huge. That's a massive console, bruh. Is that a blemish? It's a blemish on the back. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Slight blemish from factory. No matter, because I'm gonna swap out these plates. I want the pink plates. I'm gonna have a black and pink PS5. Call me crazy. Call me Danny. Call me maybe. I don't know where I'm going with that. Anyway, I got a PS5. Oh, it's so nice. I'm excited. So I'm going to set this up off camera, and I'll probably show you what it looks like once I have it set up. It worked. Okay, bye.